Hi, I'm Junjun. Today I'm going to make frosted coffee bars. I almost make this coffee bar for every Christmas. It is perfect for breakfast in Christmas season. The good part is you can eat it as snack and dessert too. Imagine it's a white Christmas, everything covered in snow. You have this delicious frosted coffee bar. A cup of hot coffee in the morning. You take a bite of this delicious coffee bar and a sip of warm coffee. Even you left your lipstick mark on the coffee mug, you decide to take another bite of coffee bar and another sip of coffee. Alright, let me show you how to make this delicious frosted coffee bar. Put a half cup of raisins in mixture bowl with enough boiling water to cover. Around 30 minutes, when raisins cool, drain water off. Now I'm gonna cream the shortening and the brown sugar. We need 1/4 cup of shortening and a cup of brown sugar. Add in 1 room temperature egg, a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix them together. Now I'm going to add a half cup of room temperature coffee. Time to sift in our dry ingredients. We have 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and a half teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. The batter smells really good. You can smell the coffee, the cinnamon. Then we can add half cup of chopped walnuts and the raisins we soaked earlier. Mix all of them together. I'm gonna pour this mixture into the 13 by 9 inch baking pan. But before I'm doing that, I'm gonna use the cooking spray. Spray the bottom of the pan. Bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Here is a coffee bar just came out from the oven. I'm gonna put this on the side, let it chill for about an hour. Time to make the glaze for this frosted coffee bar. We need a tablespoon softened room temperature butter. Add a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, and a half teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix all of them together. Here's the glaze. The coffee bar is completely chilled. Now I'm going to pour the glaze on the top of the coffee bar. Alright, check this out. I'm so excited to cut into it. Look at that. Let me show you inside of this bar. You see the raisin and walnuts? I'm gonna eat this for you. One more bite. This bar is so soft. It's like coffee cake, but you can taste the cinnamon, walnut, raisins, and a little white sweet frosting, a little bitterness from the coffee. It balanced so well. I just finished the whole bar by myself. It is so good. I can't help it. Alright, Christmas is almost here. Try to make this frosted coffee bar at home. I bet you will love it. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!